guys, welcome back at my channel. We are still counting down the days till Christmas, and today we are opening door number 15 of our commemorative advent calendar, and it's right up here with Mowgli and Baloo. Let's open up the door and see what we... Oh, that's pretty. Our coin is Mulan. Now, I know I said it about lots of Disney movies, but Mulan really is my favorite Disney movie. I really like the story. I think that Mushu is hilarious. And what I like about this coin is then you have the Chinese symbol in the background. And well, she just looks very pretty, don't you think? A fun fact about Mulan is that she was the first Disney princess that is not a Disney princess. She's not married with the prince, and also she wasn't born as a princess. She's not from royalty, so but we still consider her as a princess, and by the looks of her, I think she deserves it. So that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a terrific day, and I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!